Everybody have a car. The car is very important. Everybody have a asset of car. The complexity of the car can be create problem when we have a accident. If you need to hire a lawyer for a car accident case, here are some general steps to guide you through the process. You can get how to cope on that situation. The number one is assess your needs. Determine whether you need a lawyer based on the severity of the accident, injuries sustained, complexity of the case, and potential liability issues. In general, it is advisable to consult with the lawyer if there are significant injuries, disputed liability, multiple parties involved, or difficulties dealing with insurance companies. Lawyer can be help you. Number 2, research and gather recommendations. Seek recommendations from trusted sources such as friends, family, other professionals who have dealt with similar situations. You can also research local bar association on online directories that provide list of personal injury lawyer in your area. Evaluate lawyer credential. Review the credentials and experience of potential lawyer. Look for attorneys who specialize in personal injury or car accident cases and have a successful track record. Check their website, online reviews, and professional profiles to assess their repute and qualifications. Schedule initial consultations. Contact the lawyer on your reviews. Then he can be helpful for you. Number 3, evaluate lawyer credentials. Review the credential experience of potential lawyer. Look for attorneys who are specialized in personal injury or car accident cases and have a successful track record. Check their website, online reviews, and professional profiles to assess their reputation and qualification. Number 4, schedule initial consultation. Contact the lawyer on your list and schedule initial consultation. Many lawyers offer free of low cost consultant to discuss the detail of your case and determine if they are the right fit for your needs. Prepare a list of qualities to ask during the consultation. Number 5, ask relevant questions. During the consultation, ask questions about the lawyer experience, expertise, past case outcome, fees and billing structure, communication style, and how they would have handled your specific case. Evaluate their representative, alternative, and ability to clearly explain legal concepts. Number C, consider communication and compatibility. Compatibility is essential to work with a lawyer you feel comfortable communication with and who understand your concerns. Consider their availability and willingness to update you on the progress of your case. Discuss fees and agreement. Inquires about the lawyer's fee structure, which may be based on hourly rate and contingency fees, or a combination of both. Understand an additional cost such as court fees or expert witness fees. Review and discuss the fees agreement and contract before signing. Number 8, make your decision. Evaluate the information gathered during the consultation, including the lawyer experience, communication style, fees, and your overall comforts level. Select the lawyer who best meets your needs and with whom you have confidence in handling your case efficiently. This is very, very important. Remember that the process may vary depending on your location and usual circumstances. It is crucial to consult with a qualified attorney who can provide personalized guidance based on the specific detail of your case, insurance policies, and any correspondence with insurance companies.